In this exercise, you'll be creating your initials using simple shapes. We have the square or rectangle tool. You also have the circle tool and the path tool, which will allow you to draw triangles. So we'll start with setting our initials once again. For Design Lab, I'm using D, and you want to scale it so you can see it better. I actually recommend that you do this step on paper, but for demo purposes, we're doing it here. So I'll scale up the L, and you really just want to observe your letters. In the case of the D, I have a stem and also a bowl. So you can see those two parts of the letters right there. Pretty much circular in form. Now the L, on the other hand, is more angular. I mean, you can create this shape with two rectangles if you want to, but what I'm seeing is more of a right angle, which is a triangle. So I'll be using a circle and a triangle to create the letters D and L. So let's get rid of those letters. And starting with the D, I'll select the circle tool. Hold shift to make a perfectly round circle. So here I have my circle. Next, you'll want to use the selection tool and make any minor adjustments. And then I'll select my rectangle tool. I want to create the straight edge of the stem. So I created a bar, and I'm going to fill that to white and block off part of my circle. And you can see right there that shape pretty much resembles a D. It's going to move it aside. Next, and I'm going to make the L. And again, that's going to be a right angle triangle. So you just want to draw your points and make sure you connect the final point to make the fill. Little tweak. And almost there, but I want to make it a little bit more like an L. I'm going to copy and paste to duplicate the triangle. I'll place that on top. Once again, I'm going to use that shape just to block off the underlying shape. And there you have it. Again, I'm gonna just make a couple more adjustments here, but you can see it pretty much already resembles the D and the L. And there you have it, D, L.